Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you send email how to send email with PHP and using the HTML to send that. For example, you're gonna send a message on PHP. You want to send this like HTML structure. You can do that on PHP, and yeah, I'm gonna run this thing so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. So it's only like 14 line of code anyway, but the XAMPP configuration is will takes time to do this. And you know what, I'm gonna run this thing. So it's only 14 line of code. Access that on your XAMPP, run it, and it will send. And yeah, see your mail and see this. Okay, this is headline and this is HTML message, something like that. And yeah, we're done on demo, and we're gonna go to the, how we gonna say it, the configuration. So I'm gonna run the code later. On the last part, I'm gonna explain a little bit, and yeah, see you on the next part. Go to your htdocs, go to your XAMPP folder, and there's two files you're gonna need to find this in order to this to work. You need to find these two files, php ini and send email. And if you go to the XAMPP, on this one XAMPP, the entire folder, find php ini, like php ini, find it. Okay, this one on your XAMPP php and php ini. I want you to copy this, put it on your desktop or something like that. So if you're doing this on your job, you should ever back up your entire environment first before doing this. You can mess everything up if you don't know what are you doing on php ini. And copy this, back up, and put it on here. Just back up this and go to back on the XAMPP and go to your send mail. Okay, get this send mail.ini, copy that, put it on your desktop. And first, you should ever back up first before you do this thing. And yeah, let's just start. So open your php ini with any kind of editor you want, and find mail function. Okay, so this one, mail function. So if you open this for the first time, like this one, they are not on uncomment. You should comment this all because you don't need this. If you're gonna run this thing on here to here, you should add this one, meaning to uncomment this, comment all. We don't need that. We're gonna only do the mail function, smtp, like smtp.gmail.com. Put that and put your port number and send mail. If you have your own mail server like that, you should put your mail. So this is my email. If you see my like this, so this one who send my message, so that's your sender, send mail from. You should always put this on this, your Gmail, send mail from. Put that, save it, and we're done on php ini. And open your send email, edit it. Okay, so same as always, you're gonna fill up the old username and password on here. You type your password on here. And for sender, if you have your another backup, if this mail does not work, your poor sender will gonna do the thing, but it will never happen anyway, because I don't know if you have your Gmail like Terminator or something like that, you violate something. If this thing don't work, the other one will gonna run. That's it. No hard explanation for that. Put your password on here and save that all, and copy that, put it on here on the send mail, so it will overwrite all the file and go to your PHP ini, drop on here so we can overwrite. So that's it. That's the only setup for XAMPP. And there's the one thing you should do before you do. You remember the send mail? Okay, you need to configure your Gmail account for this one, your old username. You should go log in this on your Gmail, and you need to access this my account google.less secure app. Copy that and paste it on here. It's on the code anyway, you can get it. You need to turn, not this one, okay, so this one, you need to turn this on in order to work, because your where is it, send mail on your server, this one you're gonna use, right? You should go to that, access that, and on here, my account google.com less secure apps, and turn that on, and everything's working fine. That's it. You know what, let's run this again one more time. Close that, close that, close that. Okay, I'm gonna run the code. Okay, so I'm gonna run the code again. So this is headline, right? And one more time, I'm gonna run it. Go to your email, and yeah, we received our email like HTML structure. And yeah, I'm gonna explain a little bit for this code. So you're gonna only change this is a mandatory, there's a two file you're gonna change. This one, recipient, who's the, where you gonna send the mail, you can change this. And your header should be the same on your send mail.ini. Like, this is my mail, so don't use this, it's not gonna work. It will work because you're sending like header like that, but you need to change it to your own email. That's the only two lines of code you're gonna change for this one. And yeah, so that's two are mandatory. So I'm gonna write like, put your mail want to send, and on this one something like that. Like, it doesn't matter anyway, I'm gonna put it back. And yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.